This is Nyabende the President here, your number one YouTuber and number one content creator. Also a nail tech. As you can see, I'm cutting short nails that I've been nurturing. This is one of my clients who came in and requested me to do so. Though nakuanga kichwa ngumu, sipendangi kureduce kucha. Nikiona zimekuwa mrefu na mimi ndo nimezichunga, sipendi. But we had to because alikuwa anaenda kufanya kazi. It was so heartbreaking to her. And she was like, niwache hiyo kazi ama nisiwache. So this business is located in Market Plaza, that is Kisii town, second floor, stall 235. Just come see me in person. I'll offer the best service for you. Bora tu umeshiba na uko smart. What next? Wewe si mgonjwa, umeshiba, you look wow. Come we make your nails. Your beauty is our priority.